Morning students. Today we are going to start with English language book. This is your English language book. You all know up to lesson 2 we have completed. So we are going to discuss lesson 3 today of English language book. This book, what you all have to do, open the book and come to the lesson 3. Before that, you start complete your maintain your index like this. First, second chapter is completed. So let's start with today's chapter, lesson number 3. Date will be given. You have to write like this. And chapter's name, noun and its kind, and 13. It is beginning with the 13th page and up to, I don't know, that's why I have not mentioned it. So you have to mention all this. Index you have to maintain like this. After that, come to the lesson number 3. It is in English language copy. Take your English language fair copy and start writing like this. Lesson 3, noun and its kind. Give the name of the chapter and right side classwork. Left side you mention the date. After that, heading, write down the heading noun. And I am giving the definition of that. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. I have given you previous classes also that noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. All naming words are called noun. Everything's name which we use and which we look around us, it is known as noun. For example, if we take one example, Ram is a good boy. Here Ram is noun because it is name of a person. So what you all have to do? Come, let's begin with the kinds of noun. Noun are of 4 kinds: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun and collective noun. So I have given you the definition of these 4 nouns in the previous classes also, but you all have to complete it in the fair copy today. So first one is proper noun. Proper noun is the name of some particular person, place, thing, river, mountain, books, etc. Means it is the particular name of a person. It is a unique name of a person, place, thing, river, mountain, book, etc. So you all know that proper noun is the proper name of a person, place, animal, thing or river. Come with examples. For example, Hari completed his work on time. In this, Hari is the unique name of a person, so it is known as proper noun. Here Hari is a proper and unique name of a person, so it is known as proper noun. For example, you can take your mother's, your father's, anybody's name. It is the unique name and proper name, so it is used as proper noun. So I take the word name Hari. So come to the next example is, he went to Kolkata to attend his cousin's marriage. In this, Kolkata is a proper name of a city and also it is the unique name of a city, so it is known as proper noun. Kolkata is also known as the city of joy. So what you all have to know about it, that here we write down Kolkata with capital because it is a proper noun. You all have to remember it that proper noun always begin with a capital letter, and like this in this sentence. And next is, the proper noun are always written in capital if it is in between in the sentence then also. Okay, so like this, because Kolkata is the proper noun and it is written in the between of the sentence, but it is in capital letter because it is proper noun. Okay, so what you all have to do, you all have to complete the definition of noun and proper noun as I have completed in the copy. In this, you have to use blue and black pen, leave one line space in between, and there is no confusion. It is done in English language fair copy and you only use the blue and black pen. With the help of that, you complete it and give one line space in between. And what is your homework for today? It is learn the definition of noun and its kind. Thank you. Okay.